how to view your Citizens bank account and routing numbers. To view or find your Citizens bank account and routing number, there are many ways to do so. One is that you can do so from their mobile banking app as well. So you can download the Citizens Bank mobile banking app, log in using your user ID and password, then tap the login button to log into your mobile banking. Once done, you can simply find the account information, and there you should be able to find your account number and routing number. The other way you can find it is through your checks. So if you have a recent check from your Citizens Bank account, at the bottom of the check you'll find the three sets of numbers. The first set of number is your routing number, the second set of number is your account number. Now, if you have got a recent bank statement, there on that bank statement also you'll find your account as well as routing number. That's all for this videos. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.